Yes, good morning students. Welcome to your social studies class. Today we are going to start our second chapter of geography, which is inside our earth. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the different concept of the earth, as we know that earth is a unique planet where life exists, and we also have discussed about all the spheres of the earth in the previous chapter, in which we have discussed that there are main three domains of the earth, which are lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. On the lithosphere there is a presence of land, and on the hydrosphere there is a presence of water, and on the atmosphere there is a presence of air. And a narrow zone which interact with both these sphere is known as biosphere. So now we are going to discuss about the inside portion of our earth. As we know that earth is a homeland for many organisms, and earth is dynamic in nature. It means it keeps on changing from inner surface as well as from outer surface. So today we are going to discuss about the interior of the earth. So like an onion, earth also comprises of different layers, and all these different layers comprises of different type of rocks and minerals found here. So now we are going to discuss about the first layer of the earth surface, which is known as crust. So this surface of the earth is known as crust, right? So this layer is very thinnest layer of the earth. So the main mineral, as these layers are found on continental masses as well as ocean as well as ocean floors, right? So now this is your work. You have to find out that what is the meaning of continental masses, and then you have to find out what is the meaning of ocean floor, right? So this layer of crust is found on continental masses as well as on ocean floor. Then type of mineral which is found on the continental masses are silica and aluminium. The type of mineral found on the continental masses are silica and aluminium, and the mineral which is found on the oceanic crust or oceanic floor are silica and magnesium. And the mineral which is found in the inner surface of the earth, which is also known as inner core or inner crust, is nickel and iron. So below the crust there is another layer which is known as mantle. The another layer below the crust is known as mantle. This layer of mantle moves, it is about 2900 kilometer below the crust. So this layer which is below the crust mantle is 2900 kilometer below the crust, right? So this was about the interior of the earth. Now we will discuss about the different type of rocks which are found on the surface of earth. So the different type of rocks that we will discuss are igneous rocks. The rocks that we are going to discuss are igneous rocks, as they have categorized into two type of rocks. One is intrusive and second one is extrusive, right? We will discuss about these both type of rocks one by one. So first we have a information that what are rocks. Firstly we will discuss that what are rocks. So as we know that our earth crust is made up of rocks, any natural masses of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called rocks. As we have divided the rocks into different category, but firstly we are going to discuss about the first type of rock, which is igneous rock. So what are igneous rock? Igneous rocks are the rocks which are formed by the molten magma which came out from the lava. So what are igneous rocks? The rocks formed by molten of magma. So when the lava of the magma started molting down or cooling down, it forms the rock which is known as igneous rock. The other name given to igneous rock is primary rock. Right? So the igneous rock is divided into two categories. First is intrusive rock and the second one is extrusive rock. So when we talk about intrusive igneous rock, it means when the magma cool down on the surface of earth, when the magma cool down on the surface of earth, it forms intrusive rocks. The example of intrusive rock is basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock, right? So now going to the next type of igneous rock, which is extrusive rock. So what are extrusive rocks? As the magma, when the magma cool down deep inside the earth's crust, when the magma cool down deep inside the earth crust, they form extrusive rocks. As we know that temperature inside the earth crust is very high, so it will take magma time to cool down. So at that time the rocks which are formed when the magma cool down deep inside the earth crust, those rocks are known as extrusive igneous rock. The example of extrusive igneous rock is granite. I hope you understand the introduction of the chapter. We have started discussing about the different type of rocks which are found on the surface of the earth. As we firstly discuss the first type of rock, which is igneous rock.